Shalom, everybody. It's springtime in Florida. Even though we've had a few hiccups along the way of cold weather, the trend is that it gets warmer and it gets more beautiful. This is an appointed time every year when the azalea blossoms come out, the sun gets longer in the day. Every year we have an appointed time. This week we're continuing our Exodus Rebuild series. And in our Exodus Rebuild series, it has something to do with the way that time is ordered, or that we order our time. Why is it important to do this? There are so many distractions, there are so many details, there are so many things that can come into our lives that it's difficult to know how life is progressing. Time has an important part of that, and appointed times from God have an especially important part of that. So where are we this week in the Parsha? Israel is getting ready to move forward, and God speaks about appointed times for Israel, and He's speaking to us this week about appointed times for us. Another appointed time this week is Bike Week in Florida. So you can hear the bikes going back and forth, but that's temporary. That's only a week. Even the azaleas are a season. But God's appointed times show us how to order our lives with times of refreshing. How do we do that in our lives? That's going to be our main point this coming Shabbat. I'll see you along the way, on campus and online. Shalom, shalom.